When everyday folk like you and I talk about ancient Egypt, well, the pharaoh King Tut, he's often referenced. But his mother, Queen Nefertiti, who is often referred to as the beautiful one, they believe they have finally found her too. About time! Only took them 3,367 years approximately. My name's Michael McCrudden with some evidence that King Tut was a real mama's boy, here for you on IO. First off, I want to hear from you guys in the comments down below. What era or time period, what part of history interests you the most? Sound off in the comment section. I read all them comments. Despite relentless looters over the centuries, well, King Tut's tomb, this one was a masterpiece. It still continues to wow the world because in there they found some really epic stuff. Hence why he himself is so popular. As the pharaoh, he actually didn't do that much. He was a child king. His mother, Nefertiti, now she is the real deal. But they got no idea where in Egypt she was buried. Well, new scans of Tut's chamber have revealed spotted cracks in the walls. That could indicate two ghost doorways previously uncovered, and experts are certain. If anything, well, mama, she's hanging out in that next room. King Tut's tomb, it was always thought to be a little bit on the small side. Also, they were like, this is kind of the layout they would have for a female person of royalty. So they were kind of suspicious, but now they've got some reasons to let go. This was just the entrance to a bigger tomb. Yeah, we'll put King Tut in the lobby. We got bigger things going on in the party room. Ooh. Plus we got that gold face mask. That thing is unbelievable. So if Nefertiti played a bigger role in ancient Egypt, if she was around longer, if she was as amazing and beautiful as they say, we must imagine inside her tomb there's going to be a whole lot more goodies. And no looters got in there to crack this code because we're just finding it now. So this is very exciting stuff. Now it's going to take some time before they find out exactly if these rooms do exist behind those walls, and then it's going to take even more time to carry out the excavation without hurting anything else in the area. Avalanche! That would be good. Someone's getting fired. A lot of people. Regardless, ancient Egypt, it continues to wow the world. It's a part of history that just keeps on giving. Alright guys, let me know what part of history interests you the most. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button, check out our other videos, and my name is Michael McCrudden. I'll see you in another video.